Well, if anything, I'd say it's pretty. Look at it. Wow. That snow stuck right to those trees.
Snow. There's a lot of snow.
All right.
What? Should be playing holes out here.
Okay, I just want you to hold, make sure, just let me back in when I come in. I want to get pictures of this.
Alright, just give a look now.
Hit the button and let me go out.
Okay. Just give a look out there, so.
Oh, there's Rick, yeah.
Just be careful of the
Yeah, make sure I don't hurt him with the camera. Oh God, look at this. Look at this poor guy. Boy, we got belted. We really got belted. And we're getting more Monday. Wow, look at that. Wow, icicles. I haven't seen icicles in years. Well, not years, but a long time. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah, this is the wet stuff. This is the good stuff. Snowman stuff. Let me step out here and well, at least the tree looks nice. Huh? That's pretty. That's got like a Christmassy feeling, but spring is right around the corner. Couple more weeks, it's the first of spring. And we're gonna get one more of these Monday, they said. We'll see how true it is. My gazebo up there. Well, that snow stuck to everything. I'll tell you, it's so wet. So wet. I wonder how many people looking out the window saying, "Who's the jerk with the camera?" Well, this is where I live. It's not a bad place, to tell you the truth. As long as you mind your own business. Don't get involved with all those people that gossip, as I call them. And here's Heather to greet us. Hello, Heather.
Is there much work out there?
Yeah, he's poor guy's working.
He has to do it there. It's his job.
See, elevators to A building and B building.
For what?
Maintenance shop. Building elevators, lower level. Well, you know, we're here. We're going to A building. We're number one. We're number one. Hey, somebody dropped this snow on the ground. On the rug, the ground.
Yeah, because it's Monday.
Yeah. I was going to get a picture of you out there, but that's...
It's just too wet.
Yeah, the snow is too wet. It's almost turned into slush. Who are you waving at? Oh.
People. My peeps.
Your peeps.
Yeah, that's my peeps.
Okay, press the button. Yeah. There she is.
Hey, stiamo per together.
12, please. We're going to Trump Towers. This elevator is not like the New York elevators, I'll tell you. because the time you hit the 3rd floor here, you probably hit the 80th floor in the Empire State Building, that is. The Empire State Building, their elevator moves pretty fast, you know. It goes straight up. I mean, you know, that I can remember. It's been years since I've been there. I miss New York.
There's no school today, sorry.
I'm sorry, there's no school too. What do you want me to do?
Nothing. Just...
Okay, get some pictures outside of this. Go ahead. Squeaky door.
Yep.
Okay, this Coze's Pond. Right down there. That's the pond. And it seems, you know what? It looks like fog, and it is. It's fog up on that mountain there, hill. I'd call it a hill, not a mountain. That is fog. Actually, it's not cold outside at all. Well, I guess that's it. We'll wait for the next storm. This will probably be part 1. Maybe if we get another storm Monday, there'll be part 2. Uh-oh, the elevator broke again.
No, it doesn't call.
Yeah, I know, it's broken again.
Yep, you're broken.
Go in that darn thing and you get stuck. I've been stuck in that elevator between floors.
John asked it one time and he just got stuck.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna kill it here. This looks like, you know, this don't even look like a place to live. It looks like a hotel, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm, what about a hotel?
Okay. Say goodbye, Heather.
Bye.
Okay, we're downstairs now.
Here's John, my night, and you can see him up there.
Yeah. Boy, it's really bad. But we're gonna brave it, I guess, huh?
Yeah. He's up there.
We got 18 inches of snow so far. It's too tempting. You have to go. Oh, I gotta shut this off. I got people.
How you doing,
Oh, wait a minute. He's all right.
Good.
I almost didn't recognize you with your hat on.
Oh, you didn't?
You're not going out and play in the snow?
No, thank you.
Hey.
Okay, let's go, Heather.
How are you doing, Bob?
All right, we're just gonna step outside for a minute. She's gonna.
Yeah.
She wants to go out in it, so I'm gonna get pictures of her.
Yeah.
And to be truthful, I want to go out in it too. I'm crazy. All right,
Not free.
here we go. Oh man,
Man.
are you kidding me? Step over there. Step over there. Oh, that's deep. That's deep. Look at those. Look at those. Now, there's some crazy people. They're willing to come out here. That's a smoking area. That's the only place you can smoke anywhere on his property. And they're smoking there. Look at this. This one's shoveling. Unbelievable. One shoveling and the other two are sitting down having a cigarette. There's a lot of people that smoke here, but I'll tell you something. They smoke in their apartments, and if they say they don't, they're liars. Okay. Check out the parking lot. Wow. Oh, we're getting hit bad.
Hi.
You're actually going to walk the kid?
Yeah, he's gotta go.
Okay, well, go there. Don't let him go. Who cares? I'll keep it off the camera.
It's
He wants his privacy. Well, she, right? No, it's a he.
It's a he.
Yeah, he lifted the leg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that,
Yeah.
is it he?
It's a he. Yeah.
There's Rick.
That's Rick.
Poor Rick.
Now come outside play in the snow.
Well, I'm telling you, this is.
Oh, he doesn't want it. He's saying, oh, the heck with this. I don't want my paws cold.
He does Rick now.
Yeah. Give you a picture
That thing's
of.
dangerous, you know.
Go back in.
Oh.
I'm gonna take away because I want to get hit by him.
No, that's a lot of snow, really. It's over there. It's at least over a foot up on that hill. It's drifting, that's what it is. It's drifting in some spots.
And look at Rick.
Oops, I'm out of focus. I'm out of...
Now you know what? You can start.
Well, you don't look too happy about this today. Wow. Woo. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Oh! Ah! Damn it!
What?
I don't believe I fell again.
Don't.
Oh, jeez.
Don't fall down there.
Oh.
Everybody,
Oh. Thank God the snow is soft. I got the worst luck. Go ahead, laugh, laugh. Laugh it up, because I fell. Laugh it up. You think that was funny, huh?
No.
Go ahead, go make a snow angel.
No, I'm not gonna get dirty, my friend.
Dirty? You don't get dirty. How can you get dirty? Well, look at this. Here's our reflections. The Supremes, Reflections of Your Heart. Is that, what was that the name of that song?
I don't know. Leave it alone. Look at that country right now. I'm not even happy.
Here comes Rick.
He's not happy.
Here goes Rick.
He's not happy.
What's he gonna do? The whole road? He just did the sidewalk. Now he's doing the road. Where's John? John's got the plow. Come on, let's take a walk. Wait a minute, let me hold on to something. I don't want to fall. Oh. Oh, I don't know either. Well, my camera's getting soaking wet. Walking into it. Okay. Oh. Just want to see what it looks like down over here. Or should I over here? Ah, man. Let's go. Come on. Start heading back. This is what we got for snow. We got a good 18 inches of snow right here. It's coming down like you wouldn't believe. Watch out, he's going to turn that thing on you. Go ahead, move. Keep on moving, move. No, no, no. Step. Where are you going?
He hits me.
He ain't going to hit you.
He hits me.
You going to do the road? Are you going to do the road too?
I usually do.
Well, where's this plow?
He puts it all on my sidewalk.
You're messing with the sidewalk. You're messing.
Look at that. Camera's soaking wet.
You're messing with.
Alright, move.
That's why I usually always do the loop, because before you don't get too close to the wall, and he puts it all on my sidewalk.
Oh, not good. Oh. So what do you think?
Look at you.
I'm a snowman.